Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to talk about what I'm wearing. This is the SKPRO heavyweight cotton t-shirt. This is a very comfortable, fashionable t-shirt, but it's also made for work and for actual real functionality. So let's first just talk about what the t-shirt looks like. It's a pretty typical t-shirt, but there's a couple of things that are structurally that make it a little better than a lot of other t-shirts. First of all, the material is soft, it is thick, it is very kind of durable and flexible. You can kind of feel it on you. It's not one of these lightweight t-shirts they just kind of print and you get at the beach. This is a heavy duty, beefy t-shirt. There is some real, I want you to see, this is some real thickness to this t-shirt. It is very soft. It is breathable. A lot of air going through it. I've done a couple different things. It's actually been pretty wet outside, pretty rainy outside. The sun just came out about 10 minutes ago. But I've been playing around with it inside. I've been doing a couple activities, and it makes it a really, very comfortable t-shirt. But first, again, we'll talk about some of the other features. It does have a pocket on the front that is really, really super nice. So if you're working in the shop, you're working around the site, you want to go ahead and put your phone in there, pads, little tools, whatever. This is a very, very durable pocket. I've had my phone in here for a little while. There is some minor branding, SKPRO right there, nice and simple, very, very small, as well as on the sleeves. And by the way, I'm going to show you the sleeves. I want you to see they are double stitched here. There's double stitching in all the spots around the real motion parts, the arm, as you can see, there's double stitching there. It is a crew neck, and obviously this is black, but it's a crew neck, and it's just a very comfortable t-shirt. It does move well, it floats well. I'm going to move back a little bit. The one thing that I really like about this is it's long. This is the extra large. I'm probably right between the extra large and extra large. I went with the extra large just to have a little more movement, but it's long. My waist is probably up here. Here's my thing. I can tuck that thing in. I can walk around. I don't have to worry about it popping out. It really is a very comfortable t-shirt. It lays well on me. It moves well as well. So while I haven't actually gone outside and worked with this yet, I have done a couple things inside. I did a little bit of weightlifting, just kind of a short workout, and then I went ahead and I also did some VR. And the way you move in this shirt, the way it kind of feels on you is very natural. It's comfortable. Again, it's breathable. It's soft fabric. Very, very good looking t-shirt. Just feels great and looks great as well. And then the shirt feels good and it looks good. There are a couple things that I need to actually take it off for to show you and tell you about. Now we're getting spicy. As you can see, collar, it does have a tag on it. It does have an SKPRO tag. It's a very soft tag, but it can be cut out if tags drive you crazy. But here's the thing I want to show you. I want to show you that double stitching. I want to show you that strength stitching right there on that right on the collar where it kind of sits on your neck. That's a good wear point. It's a place where a lot of shirts go ahead and tear apart. Not this. It does have that stitching. It's nice and strong. This is a durable work shirt. SKPRO sent me this t-shirt to go ahead and tell you all about it, and I'm glad they did. This is a very comfortable, breathable t-shirt, and I'm going to wear it not just around the house, not just when I'm working out, but actually I'm going to wear it out. I'm going to use it as a casual t-shirt that I can wear. I'll probably put a flannel shirt over it or a longer sleeve over it. It's still kind of cool here, and I'll use that. The black t-shirt plus the go ahead and the overshirt. That's wonderful. I like the layered look. It'll look great. And there I am. I want to go ahead and show it to you. I didn't want you to just believe me. This is a typical flannel t-shirt that I might wear with the black, nice layered look, nice and simple. I can go ahead and button it up, make it a little more elegant. There we go. Obviously the pocket's still there. It is still my SKPRO shirt. It just feels really, really great. It works great. It looks great. It's a wonderful t-shirt. I'm very impressed by SKPRO. I'm going to go ahead and buy more of these shirts. I'm going to go on the website right now. I'm going to pick out a different couple colors and just kind of have them in my arsenal ready to go. Obviously you can find these on Amazon. Really, really high quality stuff and highly recommended.